Now today let's start with chapter number 9, that is magnet. So let's study about the magnet, the object that attracts iron or repel other magnets, उसे हम magnet कहते हैं. A substance that is attractive by the magnet, it is called magnetic. Like iron, nickel, cobalt, that is strongly magnetic. If we talk about copper, glass, wood, they are non-magnetic. The property of magnet is known as magnetism. So the discovery of magnet was wonderful. The discovery of magnet was a wonderful incident. So around 600 BC, people found some naturally occurring rocks, and these rocks are attracted by the iron caps and was discovered near an ancient city called Magnesia in western Turkey. This rock was named after Magnesia stone. A land lodestone is a natural magnet that strongly attracts iron, cobalt and nickel. So we can say that magnet of various shapes. We have different types of magnet like horseshoe, this is horseshoe, ring, cylindrical or bar shape. So first is poles of magnets. When magnetic metal are brought close to the magnet, they do not stick evenly to all the parts of magnet. So they stick more one certain part of magnet as come poles of the magnet कहते हैं. So जितने भी magnets होते हैं उनके दो poles होते हैं, north pole and south pole, about which force of attraction seem to be concentrated. So जो iron fitting होती है और other small pieces of iron होते हैं, they are attracted to the poles and the two poles cannot exist independent. वो जब भी अपने come in pairs, if we break bar magnets in the middle, it would have get two pieces. तो उन दो pieces के भी क्या होंगे, north और south pole. Now we have properties of magnet. Let's study about the properties. Like the force of attraction of bar magnet is constructed near its free end. इन्हें हम poles कहते हैं. The bar magnet attracts iron nail near the free hand. The bar magnet locates source north or south direction. The bar magnet is suspended in such a way that it is free to rotate in horizontal shape. Like poles of a magnet repel each other, और unlike pole क्या करता है, attract करती है. Magnet can magnetize other magnetic substance by magnetic induction. It means a magnet can induce similar properties in other magnetic substance. इस phenomena को क्या कहा जाता है, magnetic induction. Now, if a magnet is broken into pieces, the smallest possible magnets have both north and south pole, and no piece of magnet with a single. Right here, the activity is given. You have to take two bar magnets and wooden table. What you will do, firstly, you will identify उसके north और south pole को identify करोगे, paste करोगे सिर्फ वहाँ पे N और S वाई, फिर आप उसको found करें. फिर आप उसको आगे देखोगे कि वो attract कर रही है या repel कर रही है. Right, दोनों poles को लाके. We have magnetic compass. A magnetic compass is a simple device which has magnetic needle. जो free होती है वो rotate करती है on the pivot at the center of rambler. Since it is magnet, it comes to rest only in north-south direction. कब आती है rest पे, north-south direction. Right, in the compass, the needle which is free to rotate rests in the north-south direction. और वो कहाँ rest करती है, north-south. We have two types of magnet. First is temporary and permanent. Temporary magnet, they have retain their magnetic properties only for a short period of time. Such magnets are made up of iron, cobalt, nickel, and these materials behave like magnets only when they are near Earth or stronger. So they quickly lose their magnetic property, और जब उनका जो influence होता है strong magnet का उसमें से remove करा जाता है. Right, then we have permanent magnet which retains their magnetic property, right, and for very long period of time. To make permanent magnet, we require such material which can retain their magnetic property for the long period of time. Now, making an artificial magnet, we have two methods of making artificial magnet. First is single touch. We put an iron piece such as needle on table and stroke it with one pole of the bar. We reach near the end of the needle. If we lift the magnet, उसको हम क्या करेंगे, same pole पे वापस ले जाएंगे. Then we have double touch. This opposite poles, that is north pole of the magnet and south pole of the other, they are brought to the middle of the bar. उसको हम middle में लेके आते हैं, and what we magnetize and move from the other middle in the opposite direction. Both magnets, they are lifted together and they are again brought in the middle of the bar. Next is uses of magnet. We have different uses. Strip of magnetic material is used in making credit cards, ATM cards, identity cards. They are used for making monitors of TV and computer. Magnetic material are used for storing information. They are used in picking up substances जो आपके किसके बने होते हैं, आयरन के, from the scrap. Now safety of magnets. So There are certain things that we must keep in mind while using the magnet. So magnet should never be kept near what? Electronic items, because they affect the magnetic field of the present in the electronic items. So magnet should never be dropped from the height, beaten and beat, and what they do? They cause loss of their what? Magnetic character. अगर आप उसको हीट के पास लाएंगे तो उसका मैग्नेटिक करेक्टर होता है, वो क्या हो जाता है? लॉस्ट. राइट? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. Thank you.